In this video, we are going to look at the CountIF and CountIFs functions in Excel. In the dataset, we have a listing of video game sales. The data includes different consoles, publishers, and other data. There's a bit over 60,000 items in this listing. Using the listing, we are going to count the number of PS4 games, the number of games with a rating higher than 8.9, and the number of games released after December 31st, 2012. Let's start with the PS4 games. To count the PS4 games, we can use the CountIF function. In cell L7, we are going to type our formula. Equals CountIF, open parentheses, highlight column B because that is the column with the consoles listing, comma, quotation mark, PS4, quotation mark, close parentheses. And we can see we have just under 2,900 PS4 games in the listing. Now let's count the number of games with a critic score higher than 8.9. We'll use the same CountIF function and search in column F this time. The result is approximately 8,700 games. Let's use the CountIF function one more time. This time we're counting games released after December 31st, 2012 and searching in column H. Now let's say we want to combine all three criteria. So we only want games that are for PS4, have a score over 8.9, and released after December 31st, 2012. To do that, we'll use the CountIF function, but this time we're going to add an S to the end, so CountIFs. In cell L11, we'll type equals CountIFs, open parentheses, highlight column B, comma, quotation mark, PS4, quotation mark, comma. Now that we have our first criteria, we'll continue adding the additional criteria into the same formula until we have all our criteria sitting in this one formula. So once we're done with that, we'll close the formula with the parentheses, and we can see there are 46 games in the 64,000 plus listing that meet all the criteria.